Dear student, now today I am going to show you how to create a relationship. Relationship means there in under one database there can be a many tables, and based on those tables what you can find it that they will going to create one relationship. So how to create a relationship? So for here I have to create another mode table. Suppose I am creating another mode table in design view. Okay, just a minute. I'm showing its. Yes. So create. You will go to create table. Now as soon as you create table, say another table is created here. Okay. So what you will going to do? You will go select this one. After selecting that, you will go to the view. Then in design view. Design view this table. Suppose here I am giving the name of the students, those who has got the science, or those who are coming to the school, or those who has got their personal information. Suppose personal information of the students, any type of thing. I am giving you three options. Many more options can be created. You can create any other table based on that. Suppose I am created the personal option. Okay, so I'm giving it name personal personal information, personal underscore personal information. Okay, then click on OK. As soon as you click on OK, the thing will come. So first it's the particular thing, field name. So field name, I am changing the field name. Suppose Aadhaar number, ADAADHAR, Aadhaar NUMBER. Don't give a dot. Don't give any dot or any exclamation marks, anything. Else it will not going to take. So Aadhaar underscore number. Then it will be considered at one variable. Otherwise it will take as another variable. Not auto number. What it will be? I am taking it as a number type, long integer. Or if you want to take it with the alphabets, then you can take it a number pattern, that you can take it what the text type, isn't it? You can take it as a text type. So this can be also taken as a text length you have to specify. Suppose I have given here 20 or 15. I think more than enough. 15 I am giving here. Then suppose I am giving the address. Okay, ADDRESS, address. Address type is also text data type. It is text data type. Text data type address. Suppose I am giving here 25. Now I am adding the oh, it's became it is a little bit of mistake. 25. It's 25. Okay, now suppose how to relate. So here I am giving the, that was a primary key previous one, so that primary key I am giving it here. What was the primary key of that particular table? You go and see the table information. If you want to see the table information, you can see the view the table information. Suppose you have forgotten what the table information is there, isn't it? So that one you can see it by in a design view. Okay, going to the design view, you can click on this table and you can open the table. You can see registration number is given. Clear? So now I am going to this one. See this one. So you want to modify it. Design view, more the data I need to insert it. So registration number. So this is what happened. The primary key of another table when come to the another table will become a foreign key. There are the different types of key: primary key, foreign key, as I have discussed in my videos. So primary key, foreign key, registration number. So registration number also I am giving here as a number type. You can give the number type, long number type, long integer number type has been given. And another more field is, suppose I am giving here a contact. So dear student, as I am creating the another table personal information, there I have inserted the contact number. Contact number length I am decreasing the length. 15 is more than sufficient, or 14 I am taking here. So up to this much suppose I have taken here. Now I want to insert the data. Save it. Go and close here. Do you want to save the change? That means what I have shown here that you can create it again, you can insert the values there. Okay, two more things I have added there, and yes, it has been changed. Now you have to insert the information. Go and click on this particular one, double click on it, it will going to open. Suppose Aadhaar number AA 102 120, then 056, then 078. Okay, suppose address now I am giving here, you can increase it little bit more. Address I am giving here, suppose Shiliguri. Now registration number I am giving 121. Okay, contact number I am giving suppose 456. Okay, now enter. Next one is AA 564231789. Then suppose Kolkata. Then registration number suppose 122. Okay, phone number suppose 987660. Okay, so this is the thing. Next value I am giving suppose BA 456. Okay, suppose this is Jalpaiguri. It is 123. 123 record is not there, we have deleted it. Next suppose the phone number. Okay, so three data I have inserted. More data you can insert according to your work. Now what to do, we need to create a relationship. Okay, so how to create a relationship on it? So go to the create option. See here in the create table templates, then form are there, different forms, and report is also there, then wizard and others. Wizard and others is there, and next what you have, you can see here that those the particular formats are there in the import export section. Table tools. So you, when you go to the database tools, in the database tool you find here relationship. Now relationship, which table relationship? This table add, this one add. Now you close it. After closing it, what you will find? So this registration number and this registration number, so you will drag it. Click on it, don't leave the mouse, you drag it and leave it there. You will see here this particular edit relationship window will open. Registration number with registration number, create. Okay, if you want to make a type, there you can make a type, only include the row which are joined, include all the records of the student those who are joined. Okay, include all the record on the personal information, and only those that include all the rows which are joined with both the tables. Okay, this one also you can do. Create new, any if you want to create any other. If you not, then that one that enforce integrity relationship. Okay, update relationship, that also you can do it. See, as soon as you create a relationship, one line you can see one drag from here to there. Clear? So this is what it is showing, a relationship. There are many pattern of relationship: one to one relationship, one to many relationship, many to many relationship. In your DBMS, in your book page number 113 to 115 and 116 till now, that much, all this different pattern of relationship is given: one to one, one to many, many to many. Those relationship I'll explain you in the class. So those the different pattern of relationships are given to you, and you can use those relationships. So this is how I have shown you how to create the relationship and how to work with the relationship. Now whenever you will do the queries, That time what you will going to find, the relationship will going to show to you. Student, today I am going to show you how to make the queries. It is under chapter 13 of your unit 3 database management system of the supplementary book. So here is a table that has been created for it. Now in this table I am going to do the query. How to do the query? First you will go to the create option. In the create option I will show you two ways to design the query. One is with the wizard, one is with the design view. First with the wizard. So you will click on the wizard. As you click on the wizard, what are there? There are the different options are available, like simple query, cross table query, find duplicate query wizard, find unmatched query wizard. So this will going to a simple wizard. Okay, simple query wizard. Okay, after you click on simple query wizard, you have to select the values. So what are the values you are selecting? Suppose roll number. See here the button to select. So select field. First roll number is selecting, then what? Then the first name. If you want to select the first name, then first name comes, then select the first name. If you want to select the last name, then last name. I am selecting the last name. After the last name, then I am selecting their address. Okay, I am selecting their address. So there is the address, so I am selecting this address. Then after the address, what is there? Fee. So I am selecting the fee. So two thing I hasn't selected, class and percentage. As you wish you can select it. Okay, then go for the next option. So student query, open the query to view information, that will select it. So here open the query with view information, don't change this one. So you can create the query for navigation purpose also. After that what you will do? Finish. If you do finish, see here the query is there. Okay, this is the query, this is the query table. So query table is there, this has been created. That means based on those particular field the thing has been shown to you. So this is what, based on the wizard. So wizard query is one method. Another method, that where we can give the condition, that is query in design view. Suppose it has asked you that to show those students those who has paid the fees. Okay, those who has paid the fee. So what we will do, we will go to the design query option. Design query option. In the design query option, from the show table you have to select the table name. So our table name is student1. Add it. Okay, now you close this one. So what we want to see, suppose your question is show those table, show those persons who has paid the fees. So what we require, we suppose I want to see the roll number. So select the roll number, student dot one dot roll number, because we have many tables. So it has said given here the first table that we have selected, student dot roll number. First select the roll number. Then suppose I want to see the first name of the particular student. What is my criteria? Criteria is fee paid, isn't it? So select the fee paid here. Fee. Now what is the criteria? Equals to what? Within a single inverted comma, double inverted comma. I am giving single inverted comma, paid. Close the single inverted comma. Okay. Now you close it. Close this query. Do you want to save? Yes. Okay. See, query 4 is there. Now if you click on it, see those the student who has paid the fees, I want to see only the roll number and name. Their roll number and name is displayed here. Okay, so when you have to do the query, first you have to select that particular table based on which you want to do the query. Clear? This is one way. Another way is that you will do the query based, you can give a multiple criteria also. Okay, multiple criteria. Suppose you want to see those the student who stayed in Delhi and whose class is 12. Suppose the question is there, find out the students, those who stayed in Delhi and they are reading in class 12. So how to do? Again you will go to the create option. Under create option you will go to the design view, create design view. Then you have to select the table like student 1, add. After adding it, then you close it. What I want to see, the students roll number. So first select the roll number from here. Okay, roll number from here. Next one, the student, those who are studying in. Dear student, as I am saying in my last video that here the query I will going to do, where in this query we will going to give a two criteria. That means, suppose the question is that find out those students, those who are what reading in class 12 and they are staying at Delhi. So two criteria we want to give. So how to give the two criteria? First I want to see the roll number. The first criteria I'll put here. First criteria is what? The class. Okay, class equals to, come to the criteria section, equals to what? Class equals to 12. Okay, then the second what, their name I want to see for first name. Then the second criteria what I sorry, what I have given, second criteria is those who are studying at staying at Delhi. That means from here you will come to the address. Address is what here equals to, since it is a variable, character variable, so with the single inverted comma, double inverted comma, Delhi, DELHI. Okay, so this is the thing. That means two criteria also we can give. Previous video I have shown you in with one criteria. Here I am showing you with two criteria. Okay, now close it. Do you want to save? Yes. So query name, they will ask you the query name. You can give the query name. You can skip what the query name they are given. Okay, so I'm leaving with that query name. You can change the query name also. So this is how the in your book query name is, how to give the query name, that has also been given. So you can include the query name or you can go with this query name. So query 5, no harm is there of query 5. So let us open the query. See here, only one students, those who are staying at Delhi and whose roll number is 12. Okay, so this is how you will going to do the particular thing. Okay, this is how you will going to do the particular thing of the query with the what, with the help of design view. So this is how we have done it. Now I am going to show you one more thing query. Suppose using the wildcard in page number 124, you will going to find it using the wildcard. Suppose you know the starting but you don't know the ending, okay, of any address or something, so that you can do with the help of the wildcard. Wildcard means your asterisk, it is given, asterisk is using for all the character, question mark is for a single character, then bracket you can use, bracket is for suppose one find values character, then semicolon is to doing the billing character. Okay, so this is for minus sign is there, this is to search any one character for a specific range, and hash is for a single numeric character. Okay, for the numeric character also you can give. So this you can give. Let us do with the design view. Come to the design view. All this will be done in a design view. So student, at the table. Now what we want to see, suppose I want to see the student name. Okay, those this, now close this one, student name, suppose first name, this student name I want to see it. So first name. Now what is my criteria? That's those who are staying at Delhi, isn't it? Or later start with DE, then the next thing we don't know. So there will be one thing come, that is a like clause. Okay, there will be one thing come, that will be a like clause. So like clause, how we can use the like clause? Suppose here what, address. Okay, address, then you will come to the criteria like, LIKE, you will write this like. After writing the like, then what you will do, within the single inverted comma you will write D, then percent. Okay, then close the single percent, asterisk sign is for all the values. Now you save it, save this one. Yes. Okay, query 6. Okay, this is the query 6. You see, those who are from Delhi, those the names will come. So this way you can use any of the thing, it is given in your book. Using of the different wildcard, you can use them, you can find those things, isn't it? Those the values based on the name, also based on the number also you can do. If you want to see the number, that number also you can do, because what the number is, that is there, based on those number you can also do your work. isn't it? You can also make out your queries of the different ways. Another query that I'm going to show you here. Dear student, now today I'm going to show you, in this video I'm going to show you how to perform the different pattern of calculations. You can do the different pattern of calculations in your question paper. If it come, then you can do the calculation. Always remember, those value you will keep it in a number. Okay, the thing should be kept it in a number form. Don't give the currency format here. Okay, so you can do the division, multiplication, subtraction, addition, minus, anything. So here I will do the calculation. So what you will do, create, then you will go to the query in design view. After that you will select the tables of product table, add, then you close this. So from here what to add, suppose product ID, then here product name. Okay, p name. After you add the p name, then what you will do, you will going to add the quantity, then you will going to add the purchase price. Now here in this particular area you write the expression, what, suppose quantity into purchase price, that you want to find, that what you have paid. Okay, so quantity, then asterisk, asterisk means into, then purchase underscore price. Don't change the format, because here it is written PURC, it is a purchase underscore price, so you will write that. Okay, then you will click on some other place, or you will click down. See here it comes in expression. Okay, now this expression you can change, you can give the name of this expression. Expression name, suppose I am giving the total price. Okay, TOTAL, total underscore price. Total price. Suppose this has been given. Now you go to the run option. See here, red mark run option is there. So if you go on this particular one, you see the total price is calculated and it has been shown. This is one. This is on page number 126. So you can apply any type of implementation, mathematical implementation you can use there. Okay, plus, minus, multiply, one I have shown you, you can use other. Now another one that I'm going to show you is group by. Group by is here in this particular table, student one table. So in the student one table, see here I have given the result, pass fail, all this. Now how to do the group by? First you will go to the query option. Okay, query in design view. After you query in design view, then student one. Okay, after you select the student one, close it. Now first you select, what you need to select, you need to select the student roll number. Okay, so based on which you will going to find it out. So student roll number, suppose student roll number. Now how to bring this group by, you will go to this particular thing. Okay, you will go to this total, and if you click on this total, then you click on it. See here the one column added, total column. So you click here, so you make here what you want to do, you want to do it that you have to count. Okay, so say max, mini, average, all these are there. So count function is also there, you do the count. After that is what, after that you find it that there is a particular thing, that is what, the result. Okay, group by. So after that you save it, save this group by option. Do you want to save? Yes. So as soon as you save it, query 8. Okay, so this has been saved. See, query 8 is saved. Now you click on the query 8. See here, count is 1, the result. So 4 is fail and 5 is pass. So this way you can do the particular structure, and you can make the particular structure on it, on which you can make the particular structure format, and you can work on this particular structure format. So this is a count expression. So this way you will going to do your work. Okay, so this way you can do the work. So here I have shown you the queries with the addition, multiplication, subtraction, all this. Then with a count function also I have shown you. Now it comes that command SQL. Command SQL means there are the different command. So in page number 128, it has been shown that there are the create, alter, drop, okay, truncate, rename, all this command is there. So they are on the DDL and DML options is there. Based on that, your SQL command will going to come. Now, how to do the command in SQL? Suppose I select this table, or you can select any of the particular SQL. SQL means structured query language. I student today I'm going to show you how to do the access in access SQL. That means structured query language. In your book, page number 128, the structured query language has been given. SQL has been given. SQL is there. DDL and DML. DDL means data definition language. DML is data manipulation language. So under the data definition language, the commands are create, alter, drop, turnip, rename. Okay, under the data manipulation language, the commands are select, insert, update, and delete. Now, first when you have to create a database, first you have to do the SQL. First, you have to create a database. Since our database is here already created, see here the school database I am created in Access. I am doing in SQL. If you have to do, then you have to do create the database. So here in Access, database is not required because already I am inside one database. You also have to go inside one database, then you can do in SQL Access. In Access, you can do the SQL command and implement the SQL command. Okay, so what are the command? I am showing you all the commands which you will access in the SQL MySQL. That the command, first you have to create a database, like create database. Syntax is what? Create the database name. Okay, suppose create school. So this is the school is a database name. Now you have to go inside the database. How to go inside the database? Use school. All the lines should be terminated with semicolon. Yes, is school. Then what? To create the table. The syntax is create table. Suppose I have taken the table name here. Result. Every syntax is given in your book also. Result. Then student ID integer not null. It is a primary key. As you have seen in Access, I have created a primary key. There is a key type of structure is there. That the first name varchar 15, result varchar 8. Okay, table name is what? Table name is result. Now inserting the values. How to insert the value? There are two way of inserting the value. One way, you can write that insert into result. That means where you are inserting, then all the column names, then values, then the value you will write. This is the one way, like values, then 110, that is the student ID, then first name Ritesh, second name Mahajan, then pass. Okay, so another way is insert into result, values 100 to Amit Gupta. This also another way. Now query, there are the different pattern of queries are there. Query means the questions. Okay, to view all the data of the table. So what you will do, select asterisk from the result. Asterisk means to show all the values. To show the ID, suppose you want to show only the student ID and result. So what you like, select student ID comma result from where? From the result table. Okay, next what, to show those the student who has passed, select asterisk. Asterisk means all from result. Now where condition or where clause I am using, where result equals to pass. Okay, next what, to display the student ID and their first name, those who has passed. So how to do, select student ID comma first name from result, where result means the table name. Okay, my table name is here result, where results is the table name and result equals to pass. Result means one column name where I have given pass fail. Okay, to display the records in an order base, that means this is an order by clause. How you will do, select asterisk from result, order by what? Order by name. If you don't write anything, then it will be in ascending order. Okay, so if you want to do in a descending order, then you have to write in like select asterisk from result. Here I have given one clause where result equals to pass, ordered by what name in DESC. DESC means descending order it will do. If you don't write, then it will come in ascending order. Update the record. How to update the record? Update result, set last name equals to Sharma. How we will identify where student ID is 103? That means student ID 103, that particular record last name will be changed to Sharma, isn't it? Now delete a record. That means if you want to delete a record, so what you write, delete from where? From the table results, where student ID equals to 105. Why student ID? Because it is an unique ID I have taken. It is made as a primary key, so 105. And if you want to delete the total tables, what you have to write, drop table result. So this is how you will going to write. You may all the commands are there in your book. You can write it from the book. Table name will be vary as per your questions. The column name will be vary as per your questions. But all the other syntaxes will be same. Syntax and everything is given.